video is going to show how to create a presentation using the website Nearpod, and especially how to add a drawing activity, which is an interactive activity where your students can draw for their answer. So the first thing you're going to do is go to nearpod.com, and then you're going to click Log In. Teachers can log in with their Google account, so you can use your Northwest account in order to log into Nearpod. So you're just going to choose Login with Google. Note that if there's a presentation created, your students can join your presentation with a code right here. We'll show that later. So here you're going to enter your Northwest email. And then you'll sign in with the second authentication box. Published presentations will be saved in your library, but for now we're going to go ahead and create a presentation. Okay, a new presentation. And then from here, notice that you can add slides, and you can choose to add content or an activity. Content is just delivering content to your students. You can even upload from PowerPoint, and an activity is going to require action on their part. So you've got open-ended question, poll, quiz, or draw it. And so this new feature is draw it. From here, you can actually upload a problem that you want them to solve, a sentence you want them to finish, a picture you want them to complete. So here, this is just kind of a funny fill in the picture. Why is she running? So that's going to be what the students are prompted with. You're going to choose Save. So now we've got the few Nearpod slides and the one we just added. You can keep adding slides, and you can even drag files here in order to upload. And when you're finished, you're going to go ahead and click Publish. It will require a title, so for now we'll say test. We'll say we're 8th grade. Actually, with our picture, we'll say we're 2nd grade English, and done. So now notice when I go to the home screen, I can choose my library. I can find the drawing test that I just made. Go ahead and click on that. And then I can run this for students so that they can connect and participate. I can also edit. But all I'm going to do is click Live Session. From here, it's going to give a code that you can share with your audience. So I will share that maybe on the board. And from the app or the website, the student will put in the session key. They'll insert their name and send. So now from the teacher slide, I can see that there is one student here. In order to advance and start slides, this is on teacher paced mode, so I'm going to go to the screen that I want. Here's the drawing activity. So from the student's point of view, you're going to see this picture here, and then you can actually draw. So you could draw, maybe it's a monster. That they're running from. Notice that you can also insert text and other pictures here as well. So students decide what they want to put in here. So you can be creative with this. It can be finishing a sentence. It could be describing the results of something. Really, you can get pretty creative. And then when the student's done, they're going to click Send. And from the teacher's side, I can choose Close, and I can see what each student has done. A neat feature is that I can click on the drawing, and then I can actually share that drawing with the class if there's one that's a very, very good answer. And after I click Share, then the entire class is going to see what I am sharing. Lots of opportunities with Nearpod. This is just the drawing feature. You might explore others as you go.